Shitter next to us. It sounds okay, I guess.
Gotta pay attention when you moving with that bag. Mama asked me why I'm never sitting on my ass. I was skipping class, selling weed, selling grass. You was getting ass laid up, smoking trash. A couple years later and I finally got some racks. Got up off my ass, I got a bag, I did it fast. Only 22, I got 22 on my dash. Only spending 20s, I put the blues in the stash. She see I got plenty, that's why she calling me dad. My pluggy fuck with me cause I'm always running it bad. I told him don't overreact when you do the math. I just did the dash on 12, look where we at. I don't give a fuck about a bitch with a fake ass. I could give my bitch a fake ass, that's 10 racks. I made 10 racks this week, that's why they mad. He said he won't pull up on me, I'm like say that. Every time I move the peas, I do it with ease. Every time she hit my weed, it make that bitch sneeze. Every time she hit her knees, I told her to squeeze. Baby, you do what I need, you can whip the AMG. I did it without no lease. Blue hunters, they all on me. Come on, bro.
Revs 55. Brutal. Bubble body.
I originally started back 8 years ago, a couple years ago. Yeah, Bobby, that's the one. That's the 327. No. But on the card, on the
That's his wife's car. Here's Mr. Hobart himself. I've never seen this thing up close for real. Somebody's been at the track.
They were just there last night.
Mom, check his valve covers out. You see what it is?
Yeah, it's awesome.
She looks good.
His exhaust is.
She sounds good. Hey, I've seen 3 people in Wu-Tang shirts.
For real? It's awesome. Watch out, cars.
Watch it. I know. Hey, that looks like my old Elko. That looks like my old Elko. Sean, that might be the Elko. That might be the Elko Mino.
For what?
The car that I had.
Oh, well, look at this.
Yeah, look at the hood.
That thing is just beyond clean.
Oh yeah, chrome everything, firewall and everything. This thing's awesome. I like this though. Yes. Yes, sir, it is. I'm following him on Instagram right now.
Static.
The thing behind it's cool too. Oh, that's a big block. See the yellow?
Well, it looks like that's the park.
The new Supra. Is that what that is? Where? Oh, I see it.
The 5-0.
Yeah. cobra. Sean, did you
Real cobra? Are they both?
did you actually look at this?
Yeah. They're both cobras.
They gotta be together.
He's got his trunk open, or his hatch, I guess. Oh, just to show how clean this is.
It is. It really is. Ooh, yo, look at this Mustang.
That's bag. That's bag.
I bet that's one of those pretty birds.
Huh?
I'm like,
I hope somebody cleans these beer cans up. Yeah, Jacob keeps saying he likes
The Coyote.
That's gotta be 506. It's 506.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm fangirl.
How it sounds after. That is That's definitely.
Check it out. Don't let me down.
You thought this was running because of that?
No,
Oh shit.
I just seen his hood was open.
Bro, that's an Explorer swap, I think. I've never seen an intake.
Is this your car? I like it. I like it a lot. Wow, this is awesome. 68 Shelby. He's got the car on the top. Wow. This is awesome.
Dude, this is the prettiest car here.
that's an arm, red and black.
This Shelby.
Fuck yeah.
Dude, this is awesome. You have no idea.
I think time passed this morning.
Where? Right here. Look.
There's somewhere. Oh, you guys are in the same room.
Just check that door out. Yeah,
Is that? So you got seamless door handles?
yeah.
Where? How do you open?
Check his roof out.
Brown, but the roof is cool. Yo, he definitely goes mudding his hat. He's got mud falling off the truck.
Yeah, see, that's what I want to drive.
Holy shit. Look at the height difference.
My kind of ride.
Yeah, check this Honda out next to it, bro.
What about it? It's rattle can black. Like, nah, that's brand new car.
I was talking about the height difference.
I did it without no lease, but hunters they all on me. I got it off moving these peas. Let me know who fucking with me. Who the fuck said money don't grow on trees? That's how I got all I need. Who the fuck said they gon' play with me? They probably gon' RIP. He think he gon' rob me? He need a PPP.